Alrighty, welcome back to another video. This week we're going to share with you what we've done with the Ford Transit. The client had done a bit of work to us and we were tidying it up and it's come up really cool. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and stick around for what we've got coming. Got some awesome builds coming up. Let's get right into it. Morning, it is Monday. We are working on a Ford Transit. A client had started this and done a lot of it themselves and we are doing the finishing touches. So as you walk in the door here, you've got the Bushmans 130 litre fridge, which will open out into here so you can access it from the outside, getting in. And then stepping on into the van, you'll have your kitchen across here. You've got your fixed bed, north-south, which is a really cool, like natural beige sort of colour. And then electrical system under the bed on the left-hand side. So yeah, just tidying this one up for them so they can hit the road this year and get some traveling done. So stay tuned for the final finish on this one. It's going to be pretty cool. But yeah, boys are working away and going to get there. I reckon it's going to be pretty good. Yup. All right, so we've opened up the 270 Bush Company awning. This is their XT Max. So it's got that panel that folds out that way and then comes all the way around the back. So it clears over the rear doors. It's actually really good. Awesome setup here on the van. So freestanding, can tie down if you want. Super easy to set up and pack down. I mean, look at that. Look at that for coverage. That is awesome to have. On a van. A lot of time vans just go with like the Fiamma awning, something like that, but the Bush Company is a serious bit of gear. Super strong, super durable, and completely freestanding. Like, that is cash. How good is that? Looks epic. Definitely a bit of a show-off piece there. So yeah, stoked with how that's coming up. It's looking really cool. How is the rear drawer system? It is huge. Heavy duty 1500 drawer table here. And then a 1500 drawer. Outdoor showers coming up really good. Just getting ready to put our textured wall paint on the walls. Starting to take shape. Alrighty, so update on the Transit. All our plumbing, we got the plumber in yesterday, Ryan, he came and connected everything up. So we've got our valve up in there. We just got to get the gas bottle in. But yeah, the outdoor shower unit's coming up really cool. It's gonna have a little handle in that there, which will house this little fella here. But that's come up awesome. That looks really good. And then we'll have our electrical. So that's our battery box up in there, which is sealed, vented. And then we're going to have all of our equipment running along that face side across here and access via 2 doors. The texture paint come up really nice. I don't know if you can see it, but it actually looks really cool in here. It's a nice color. We've got a little access door to the front. Our gas hob is all connected up. We're just waiting for the bench tops on this one. It's looking awesome. Kitchen update. So we got the Bushmans recessed into the cabinetry there. We got the Thetford gas cooker, which is all connected up. We've got our little valve down there. If we need to crack that one off, we can. And then there's going to be a little cooker in this, a little air fryer oven sort of in there. And the RV Labs, I want to show you guys these. I don't know if you're probably familiar with them. If you're interested in vans, you might have seen them pop up, but these are the Half Moon. They look really nice. But how they work is they're a little pull latch system. So finger in behind and pull forward, which disengages that, but then they click in and lock in and you continue to lock them down throughout. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap for our Ford Transit episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had lots of fun doing it, and stick around for the van tour. That one's going to be coming soon. Next Sunday, we have some new content coming. It's something that we haven't done before, and I think you guys will really like it. So if you like today's video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll show you what we've got coming next Sunday.